Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Luca Horvat, and I will be your course preceptor for the course Global HR and Cross-Cultural Management. In today's increasingly interconnected world, businesses and organizations operate in a global arena where cultural diversity is no longer the exception, but the norm. The discipline of global human resources and cross-cultural management has therefore emerged as a strategic cornerstone for modern enterprises seeking to recruit, develop, and retain talent across geographical boundaries while ensuring smooth collaboration among individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. This course is designed as an advanced, in-depth, and strategically focused program that equips you with the theoretical knowledge, practical tools, and applied skills required to lead, manage, and optimize human resources in a multicultural and globalized environment. It explores not just HR fundamentals, but the intricate interplay between global talent strategy and cultural intelligence, CQ, the ability to adapt effectively across cultures. Why? This course is critical. Globalization has expanded business operations beyond local borders, leading to geographically dispersed teams working across time zones, complex compliance environments involving multiple labor laws and employment regulations, cultural variations in communication styles, leadership expectations, conflict resolution, and motivation. The war for talent on a global scale, requiring competitive, inclusive, and adaptable HR policies. Organizations that fail to master global HR and cross-cultural management often suffer from miscommunication, high turnover, legal risks, low engagement, and competitive disadvantage. This course prepares you to bridge these gaps by integrating HR best practices with cross-cultural sensitivity, global labor market knowledge, and strategic workforce planning. Scope of the course. The course delves into 4 interwoven pillars: global human resource management, global recruitment and selection strategies, expatriate management and international assignments, compensation, benefits, and rewards across different economies, global HR metrics, analytics, and decision-making tools, cross-cultural competence development, understanding the role of national, regional, and corporate cultures, applying frameworks like Hofstede's cultural dimensions, Trompinar's model, and the Globe study, building cultural intelligence, CQ, to adapt leadership and management styles, global workforce legal and ethical issues, comparative employment law and international labor standards, ILO conventions, ethical dilemmas in multicultural HR contexts, navigating immigration laws, work permits, and visa policies. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course. Strategic integration of HR and culture, aligning HR strategies with global business objectives, designing inclusive workplace cultures that drive innovation, leading change in multinational environments.